Like my mates used to go night clubbing. I can't think of anything worse. Some of you might be going clubbing tonight. Well, my mates would be, yeah, it'd be brilliant, there'll be loads of women. I'm like, you see loads of women, I see a room of rejection. That's all that is to me. Because nightclubs, you can't talk to anyone either. You can only dance. And I can't dance. Won't dance. Refuse to dance. Can't ask a girl to dance if you don't dance. That's just mental. Do you want to dance? Yeah? Go on then. Stand here and watch if that's not too weird. I always assume girls thought I was an idiot, because I'm quite negative generally. I don't know if you've picked up on this. I am quite, and if there's positive people in the room, right, you don't need to tell me to be positive, because they love telling you, don't they, positive people? Oh, they love to push their positivity onto you. Happy, chipper fuckers, don't they? Just be positive, just be more positive. Oh, thanks, I never thought of that. Just be like me, just, you know, I live every day like it's my last. Well, hopefully today's the day.